Hello, this is Tom. Our subject is what will be the next UV printer model after 2020. Till now, we found out China is the main player and their market, their difficulty. So on today, we're gonna check what they are doing to overcome their difficulty. So their direction is like four directions. And first, textile. Italy used to be first one on the textile area, but China started making the textile printer 5 years ago, and now, let's say, they are the main player. Second is the label and package. They start making and study the single pass label printer, but the problem is the single pass is really difficult. I'm not sure if the current China engine, which is used the scanning printer, can cover single pass. And second, actually the label and package, the technology is more than 100 years, like silk screen and gravure. So their production speed is very high, and then quality expectation also is very super quality. So to cover speed and quality, and mechanically it should be perfect, but not sure if they can make it or not. The third is the image quality. For the scanning printer, we can cover the one image several times, so there's no problem on the surface tension. But single pass is only finished one time, one image. So it depends on the surface tension, it has the different. The image quality is different. So it's very hard. So let's say for the China manufacturer, the possibility to making the label printer is 50%. Third is based on the current UV printer, they put the more print head. But the problem is the bending. Several years ago, they making the too low of conical metal the print head, but it is not easy. And I think it's the only one company clear this bending issue. This is Swisscube. Swisscube has been working and making their printer more than 30 years on their electronic board and software. But China, even for their start, their own technology, in the middle of time, they choose another engine. So they have the period of blank. To cover up this period, I think they need more time. And third and fourth is the Epson head printer. It is not directional, it is backed. So suddenly Epson head printer become popular. So the one thing to improve is the ink addition. The color and jetting stability is okay. I think like LED ink replace the UV ink, that addition will be improved soon. So we need to check why Epson head printer become popular suddenly. The answer is in here. So Ricoh, Konica, Kyocera, and Seiko, we call it the industrial print head. So if you see the picoliter from the 13 to 3.5, and also Epson 3.5 over 5 picoliter. The image quality itself, the Epson head similar to the industrial or even better. The second is the price. If the customer buy one print head, it is 3,000, or in case of Kyocera, maybe 7,000. Only one print head is really expensive. Because of that, the people customer buy the printer, their first question is head warranty. Of course, the manufacturer, they say warranty is possible 1 year or 2 years, but when the head crash happen, the customer get the printed for free? I don't think so. It's really difficult because on the menu they're making some condition. So it's most of the time it's not possible to get the free printer. So in the end, the customer and the dealer who sell this printer to the customer, they need to solve it by themselves. It's really hard. And fourth, even for this, the high price, expensive price, the printer quality keep on after 3 months or 6 months. It is not possible because of the media crash or nozzle deflection due to the LED cure. But on the Epson, it's only $300 for one printhead. Even if the one printhead has a 6 channel, cyan, magenta, and light cyan, light magenta, black, and yellow. So if head crashes happen, it simply is replaced. Even if the no warranty, but the price is really cheap. So no pressure. Also after 3 or 6 months later, if the quality become bad, and then they simply replace it. People say the Epson printer lifespan is too short, so people worry about that. But this is only for roll to roll. In case of the flatbed, the using time is much less than roll to roll. So you don't need to worry about the lifespan of Epson printer. With those strong points, Epson printer suddenly installed around 3,000 units only 1 year, 2017. Also, this is like a wide format, and maybe Gen 3 or Konica 1x2 nozzle, they can sell it. But it is also changing Epson printer. 2019, the first model is come. Then it will be next trend. After that, this. But the last one, I think, if the China making a good quality, then they can keep this 10% market share. So our kind conclusion is the next UV printer will be the Epson printer. This is a mega trend, we think. Based on this thought, this conclusion, guide, prepare ARTJET. It is Epson printhead and small flatbed. Next time I'll explain ARTJET. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.